Sophie, and today, me and my mom thought it would be fun if we drew a snowman today, since it's December, which is officially winter! Yahoo! I love playing in the snow and building snowmen. If you want to draw with us, all you need is a little piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. Let's start it. First, let's draw the snowman's hat. I'm going to draw a Santa hat for the snowman. So here I'm going to draw a little curve, like that, a little bump.
Okay.
But remember, if you want to draw like a top hat for your snowman, you can always do that. Okay. I'm just going to draw a snowman's hat.
Okay.
Like a little Santa.
All right.
Over here, I'm going to draw a bump, like that. Kind of like a little cloud. And over here, I'm going to draw a bump, too.
Oh, that's easy.
And you just go on and on and on and on and on.
Okay.
I'm going to draw a bump here. 2 bumps, actually.
Mm-hmm.
And then up here, we're going to draw bumps, just like the bottom.
Oh.
Just to show it's super fluffy and puffy. And then over here, I'm going to draw a curved line. And over here, I'm going to draw another curved line that goes past this curved line and goes down, like a slide.
Oh, okay.
Whee! And then over here, I'm going to draw a curved line, just a short one. You can make it a little longer if you want.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure that's long enough.
Okay.
And then over here, we can draw a little pom-pom. Just a curved little cloud looking shape.
I'm a big pom-pom.
Aww. You can add some little curved lines in there so it seems extra puffy.
Okay.
And then over here, we're going to draw the head.
Okay.
Ooh. So over here, we're going to draw a curved line. Well, you can't really see it, but this part is where I drew my curved line.
Okay.
And then it's going to go past the pom-pom
All right.
and goes all the way around.
Oh, okay.
The little round snowman's head.
Okay.
And then over here, we're going to draw little coil eyes, a circle for each eye. See? And then over here, we're going to draw a big highlight for the eyes because coil reflects light.
Okay.
Like that. And then shade in the rest.
All right.
And then over here, we're going to draw a little round circle for the nose. Well, you might be wondering, but a carrot nose is pointy like a triangle. Why are we drawing an oval? Well, when you look at the tip of the bottom of a carrot, it kind of looks round. So that's what kind of angle we're looking at.
Okay.
And over here, we're going to draw the snowman smile. Or snow girl. Remember, if you want it to be a girl, you can add eyelashes.
No.
Over here, I'm going to draw a little circle for the smile. A little circle here. And 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 a little circle here for the smile. But if you don't feel comfortable drawing circles, you can just connect them with a line. Like connect the dots.
Okay.
But anyway, we're going to draw the scarf. So over here, I'm going to draw a wiggly line. And a wiggly line here.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw a curved line to connect it. It doesn't have to be straight exactly.
Okay.
Nice. Maybe we should add decorations to the scarf.
Oh, okay.
I want to add stripes.
I like
Curved lines.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw the top part of the body. Just a little over here. And then 2 lines
What is that?
for the tail of the scarf, you know.
Okay.
Right here, I'm going to draw the arms. So don't draw anything below this.
Okay.
So it's going to go right here. And then a straight line here. And then to finish like that, you can make it a little thicker,
Okay.
a little bumpy. And then here I'm going to draw the fingers. A little straight line here,
Okay.
and then a straight line here, a straight line here, kind of like a rectangle.
All right.
And the same thing for the next two fingers.
Another 2.
Yeah. And over here, we're going to draw this end of the scarf. Whoop! With a curved line to connect it.
Ah. Okay.
And then we're going to draw a small one over here. Small little tail.
All right.
And then we can draw the curved lines for the stripes again. But if you did polka dots, you can just draw dots.
I like straight.
There. This is the nose, so that's the middle. So if we go whoop right here, that's where all the buttons are going to be. Do, do, do. 3 little buttons.
Okay.
And then over here, we're going to draw the curved line. Stop.
Curve line start.
And then over here, we're going to draw the arm.
Oh, okay.
And then we're going to do the same line coming from here.
Okay.
And then we're going to do the fingers.
Mm-hmm.
But we're just going to draw 2 this time.
All right.
We're going to draw curvy, like rounded end. And a rounded end here. And then a little just two curved lines for the handle of a picture of hot chocolate.
Oh, you're gonna draw the hot chocolate?
Yeah, that's one of my favorite things to drink in winter.
Oh, okay. So
So we're going to connect the 2 curved lines like this way.
like that.
Yeah, like
Okay.
the little hole for the mug. And then after we draw the little line to show the hole for the handle of the mug, we're going to draw the picture itself. So over here, we're going to draw a curved line and then a dip.
Curve line. Okay.
And over here, we're going to go all the way here. And then draw a little line there. And then a curved line here. And then over here, we're going to draw a huge amount of hot chocolate pouring out of the picture.
What? Okay. Oh my. What is that?
Just the hot chocolate, just pouring out.
Okay.
Maybe there's a little drip.
Okay.
It kind of looks like an upside down Y.
Okay. That's fine.
And then over here, I can just draw a straight line. No more curvies.
Okay.
And then over here, we can write the words hot.
Oh, okay.
And then underline it 2 times.
Hot.
Just to tell the snowman. This
Okay.
naughty little snowman.
Mm-hmm.
And then over here, we're going to draw a curved line like that.
Oh, that's snowman's body.
Yeah. And then we're going to draw the snowman's bottom. So
Okay.
right here, we're going to draw a curved line.
Okay.
And then curving all the way over here. And another curved line here. And between the Y. And then some of the snow beneath the snowman. Just little bumps.
Okay.
Little bump here. Little bump here. Lots of little bumps. I'm just going to draw like kind of like a hill part. Not really much. Next, since there's just so much hot chocolate pouring out of this thing, we're going to draw a puddle. So right here, we're going to just draw a wiggly shape. Like that.
Okay.
We can maybe even draw like a little curved line to show like somebody dropped something in here. Whee, a ripple.
Oh, okay.
There.
All right.
Now, we're done drawing our snowman. Before we start coloring our snowman, I'm going to tell you what colors we're going to use. For the little Santa hat, except for these little fluffy stuff, I'm going to color it red.
Red. Okay.
Okay? Hey, why are you rolling away? And for the scarf, I'm going to color it green and this dark blue.
Green and a dark blue. Okay.
For the hot chocolate spilling out of this little mug, I'm going to color it brown. For the mug itself, I'm going to color it purple. For the snowman's nose, I'm going to color it orange. And the little snows here, I'm just color it this light blue. Just slightly.
Light blue. Okay. All right.
All right. Let's first start with the top of, the snowman's hat. Just coloring it red. A nice little shade of red. We're done drawing and coloring our cute little snowman. I think our pictures look so cute, our little fat snowman.
How's my picture today?
It looks great, but there are 3 little things that I have to say about your picture. But I'm being nitpicky because you did a really good job. First of all, the hat over here looks a little huge.
Yeah. That's true.
And what happened over here?
That was a mistake.
Because it kind of looks like a dent was made there, or just like someone was going to draw a scarf here but forgot to color it in. And the third thing, what happened over here? Why did the body disappear?
Oh.
But overall, your picture is still very cute.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Both me and my mom finished drawing our little snowman picture. Don't they look cute? This snowman was very naughty. He spilled his hot chocolate. If I were him, I would not have spilled my hot chocolate. I would have drank one cup and asked for another. I like that our colors look different, even though they're the same color like green and blue, but they're different shades. It shows that even though it's the same thing, they're still different. I hope you enjoyed drawing with us. Bye!